Welcome back to this new section of, speed up your website core web vitals. Yes. So, what are the core web vitals? These are the three main factors, which is very important because Google are, these are the three actual new core web vitals that Google is very, conscious about. If your website are not, fulfilling these three things, it means Google does not eventually rank your website or not, put your website out there. So let me show you what it actually is. So here you can see, let me zoom. So this is actually an image of three Google page experience update. This is an image from search engine land, which is a very popular website for SEO search engine for marketers, for bloggers. You can check out this website, but for now you should understand these 3 points because Google, this is the new core, Google web vital update, which is, if you follow this, your website will eventually get ranking on Google. So what is this LCP and FID and CLS? So let me show you here. So LCP is stands for largest content paint. Ideal speed 2.5 second or less. So largest paint, it's actually your website loading time. So when somebody comes to your website and your website is not loading in just 2.5 seconds or in the less time, it means your user experience will not going to fulfill the user, of course, fulfill the user need. And of course Google will also see that if your website speed is too low, and which is not which is not a good sign for your blog. Here you can see 2.5 seconds or 4.5 seconds. The good is 2.5 second or less. But if your website loading speed is going ahead, it means this is not good. Moving ahead to the second point, first input delay. So first input delay is defined as how long does it take for a website to respond to the user first interaction. So let's say if a user comes to your website, and again your website, their interaction toward your website is like, your website is not loading, is not giving them the solutions they're looking for, ideally 100 millisecond or less. Here you can see their interaction should be on your website, would be less than 100 millisecond. It would be considered as good. And if this goes from 100 millisecond to 300, we count as a need improvement category, because it should be low. In the upcoming video, I will teach you guys how you can optimize these three content, these three core updates, I would say, these three factors. So first you need to understand what are these three. Largest content paint, first input delay, third is cumulative input shift, sorry, layout shift. So content pieces that took time to load, or any image or ads. So let's say you come to the website, right? You come to the website and it takes a lot of time to load the image. Let's say I just come to this website, and this website, it takes a lot of time to load this image or load this video or load any of the content here. So this is also count as more cumulative layout shift. So I hope you understand these three factors, these three core web vitals, which are important for user experience. And page, this is basically these three factors comes in the category of user experience, because Google always prefer user experience, because of course Google prefer user experience. That's where they give bloggers the guidelines that how you need to produce content, how your blog should look like, what are the few things that you need to be doing for, of course, the user, because we are here to solve the user problems. That's what it is. In the upcoming video, I will show you guys how you can optimize these three pieces, these three, of course, factors or pieces in your website. So I hope you understand these. So if you have any question, do comment. I will answer each and every question. So see you in the next one.